Hey guys, still in San Antonio, still having some fun. Found this really cool restaurant. Um, Actually, I didn't find it. So when we were at the market center, I asked a young lady where's some cool spots to eat, and she told me about La Gloria. And so we came to La Gloria. But what's cool is the restaurant overlooks this really awesome river walk, which was one of the places that I wanted to visit while here in San Antonio. So family members, they're in a different vehicle, so I'm waiting for them to pull up. But while I'm waiting for them to pull up, I'm just gonna go down closer to the water and see what we can see down there. So let's go. And yeah, these sculptures are pretty awesome too. Like you can see like this skull, the back of it has like this Aztec design. I love this stuff. I don't know, but I don't know if downtown San Antonio does not feel like the United States at all. I can't say that enough. Pearl Springs. Hmm? Yeah. You take a swim? I wouldn't. I mean, I wouldn't even touch the water. Yeah. This is not a swimming something. I mean, if there's a boat ride, I think you probably go. The walk probably follow. Yeah, possible. That's a nice one. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just like recording stuff as you go. There's actually a place on my list, which I think this is either the spot or it's close to it. It's called the River Walk. And this is the river. And I'm walking. So I'm guessing, even though I did not see a sign that specifically said River Walk, I suspect that this is either the spot or it's close to it. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, but I'm just exploring. I'm gonna spin the camera around so you can see some of this stuff. I'm not gonna go too far because Naoka's back there, Olive's back there, Naoka's sister, and I didn't tell them that I'm gonna walk away. But let me see what I can discover here. Of course, sand flies are around. Jesus Christ, I think one is went in my eye. Okay, so this is like a bridge here. So I saw earlier, there's like a boat. There's a boat that goes down this little canal and back up. Really not quite sure how far this whole area goes, but it's pretty cool to explore. Yeah, so I don't know when the boat's gonna come back, but it went down in that direction. Then it came back this way and docked at the bottom. Yeah, so if time permits, I'm probably gonna take the boat ride. The boat isn't here at the moment, but probably not today, because you have to get up early in the morning, get on the Air Force base. But yeah, here's some little history here. Let me take a snapshot to share with you guys. So you guys see the history there. Apparently this used to be a popular well back in the day. But yeah, so I guess you buy you get the boat ride, information here. So the boat docks here and goes back that way, and then that's the path it goes around. So yeah, guys, so let me get this thing closer. So yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do is head back over to the restaurant. Haven't eaten all day, but yeah, man, I don't even know what this area is called. You guys saw the sign, you guys get an idea. I'm gonna call it the Pearl Street River. But beautiful waterfall. All right, so that's enough of that. I'm gonna go check out some food, like I said before, and see what it's about. In the meantime, look at some ducks. All right, guys, always stay with Reggie T Plus. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Most of all, keep moving. That's what it's about.